Hi, this is Kirti from Aviso, and in this video I will talk about Aviso's pipeline analytics. To access this feature, there are two ways. One, log into your Aviso application, go to forecast and then click on pipe changes here. And the second way is log into your Aviso application and on the left hand navigation bar, click on the analytics icon here. Pipeline Analytics provides a visual representation of all your opportunities in your pipeline and answers questions like what has changed in your forecast and why. We have two views. This is a classic view and pipeline flow is the new view that has been recently introduced. Let's go to the menu, which is on the top right corner. You will be able to make selections in how the amount has to be displayed, close date, as well as start date and the end date. And you can also group all your deals by category and by stage. Once you make your selections, please click on the apply button in the bottom for the changes to take effect. As a visual representation of all your deals, you will see the starting pipeline by amount, by deals and the date, and what's changing during this duration, and the ending pipeline by amount, by deals and the date. Let's select best case, one of the categories, and here you will be able to see how the deals are moving up with respect to stage, amount and deals, and deals where there is no change, and deals that have gone down for various reasons. And when you scroll further down, you will be able to see the list of deals that have won, that are open, lost, and the amount that has been pushed out, amount that has gone up and that has gone down. You can further export this information by clicking on the download icon here. And when you click on the same selection again, you will undo the changes. I hope this information was helpful, and if you have any questions, please contact your customer success manager. Thank you.